I'm Johnny, and this is the desktop version of Webull, the trading platform designed for you to get into the stock market on your cell phone. Back in September, I had a $500 account. I grew it like a tree in the front yard, and I took its fruits. And I made another account, and I paid some bills, and I have $429.17 left. I lost 42 of it this morning. My plan was to show you how I trade, and I did some live trading. I guess it wouldn't be live, but I recorded my trades so you could see what it was like to get in and out of an option contract. So I don't trade stocks. I trade stock options. I get the option to buy a stock. That option gains value, and then I resell that option. I'll explain it more tomorrow. It'll be easier to show you as it's happening for it to make more sense, and I'll give you some analogies on how that functions. But to give you an idea of the power from trading options, I got 2 contracts of TLT, which is a 20-year treasury bond. It's an ETF. It's like one of them government ETF situations. And I bought 2 of those contracts at $25, so $50. 3 days later, that stock jumped up in the direction I thought it was going to go, and I sold both of those contracts back into the option chain for $350 a piece. So that's $700 bucks minus $50 I spent. So it was a gain of $654.59. That's the power of options. If I would have done that just trading the stock, I would have had to use $16,000. Had to go up $7 and then sell out. With $16,000, that's a lot of money. I'd rather use $50 to make $700 instead of using $16,000 to make $700. Webull is actually a pretty powerful platform for it being free, for it being commission free. There are scanners, there are charts, you can make a watch list, there's a community you can chat about the stock you're buying, there's analysis, there's news. I mean, this thing just has it all. And you can do it on your phone, which is even better, because most of the time I try and do this on my phone. I use the charts on the desktop, and I make the trades on my phone. You just got to click on too many things on the desktop to make this really usable. But I've got a link in the description. If you want to do this too, you can click on the link in the description or in the comments. And if you sign up and put $100 in your account, we will both get a stock for free. You don't have to do that, though. I mean, you can go on a Play Store and get it, or you can go in whatever the Apple thing is. Maybe the Apple is the Play Store. I don't remember. You can Google it. You can ask a friend. You can find somebody you know who's already using Webull and get their link, and you and your friend will get free shares. And you don't have to put $100 in. If you want free shares, you got to put $100 in, but you can put $10 in. You can practice. Oh my gosh, that's the other thing. This has paper trading. You can paper trade. You can practice trade using fictitious money. This is pretty close to live on the market. I believe it has a delay. But even with the delay, I mean, if you're going to try and do something long term, you can. I moved mine down to 10,000, and it starts you with $1 million, I believe. But you can change it to whatever price. So I wanted a more realistic price. I put $10,000 in there and started day trading to see if I could grow with $10,000, or see how fast I could lose $10,000. But yeah, tomorrow I'm going to show you how I trade. And disclaimer, this is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't trade what I'm trading, because you could lose. But hopefully you learn something. So maybe this is for educational purposes, which that's exciting too. And I'm excited. I want to see if I can do this. I want to see if I can do this in front of somebody. I know most traders are scared to show their accounts unless they're trying to sell something. And I'm not trying to sell anything. I just want to see if I can do this and maybe grow a community. Maybe I'm trying to sell a community, like a cul-de-sac of friends to trade with. Or maybe not. I don't know. We'll find out tomorrow. I might lose it all tomorrow. Chances are I won't. I'll share with you how I trade and how I keep my money. And it'll be exciting. You'll have fun. I'll have fun. It'll be fun. We'll do fun things together. It'll be like witchcraft and tricky stuff. Okay. Have a good night. Tune in tomorrow.